Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can lock the screen of MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do simply you have to click on this Apple icon. As you can see, has an Apple icon logo. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, has an option with lock screen. They have also provided the shortcut key that we need to press the Control Shift and Q. So if you want to place the shortcut key, you can also do that. We are going to simply click on this. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, our screen is locked. So simply what we need to do, we have to provide the password. So I'm going to write the password here. And after that, we have to press enter. As you can see, the screen is here. Simply we are going to back again. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option again. So now we are going to press the shortcut key, command and shift and then Q, and it will be locked. So as you can see, has an option for the log out. If you want to log out, you can also do that. So I'm going to make it cancel. So I hope you guys understand this video. So in this way, you can log out from your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.